You've been in competitions for a pretty long time, right?
Yeah.
And I know you. I wanted to ask this in particular. You were like in the fashion area, right?
Yeah. Like I, I went from falling in love with coffee as a home barista, as a hobby, and I was working selling clothes, doing other things completely, and I couldn't do it anymore. I didn't love it, and I needed to find a job that every day I was excited about. So I started at the beginning with coffee, and I knew nothing. At the beginning, I learned to make espresso from books, from blogs, from the internet. My first job making coffee was for a high street chain, Italian style. So pretty basic espresso. Competition helped me get past that to meet other people with different ideas. But at the beginning, I was bad, and it was a long time ago. So my first competition was in 2009. The first competition I saw was 2008. And so the way we make coffee now, and the way we make coffee in bars, but also on the competition stage, it's like it's gone through 2, 3 different generations or eras or styles. It's a different world, and it's better. It's more efficient. The coffee tastes better more often. Our understanding. I talked to you guys in Chile 10 years ago. Maybe we looked at what people did in Australia and what they did in the US, and everyone just copied. And over the last 10 years, there's been a lot more sharing of different ideas, and that's brought out different characters, but it's also brought out a common level. So now I can go to a cafe bar in Bogota, I can go to a cafe bar in Arizona or in Melbourne, and the baristas will understand the same concepts, we'll use the same tools, we might have different flavor preferences on coffee, but we can talk about them with a shared language. It's changed so much.